imagine, like this is a team system or something. We want things to be like this. Innovation, the culture of innovation has to be encouraged, but that's not the case in our college. And
introduce yourself.
my name is Varun. I'm from NIT Warangal, and these are my friends. We are 6 people over here, and we'll be very happy if Techpedia, Hiranmay sir has invited us over here to have a feel of what's going on, and we'll be very happy if some policies will be implemented in our college too, because potential over there, there's a lot of potential, and potential is rotting out there. So any initiatives, we'll be very happy to take.
Best way I learned as a student, when I was a student at your age, I didn't take permission. I just went ahead and did that I wanted to do. Sometimes I suffered, I lost grades, the teachers became angry with me. I didn't care about that. My marks were low sometimes, I lived with that. Because in the long run, talent counts. In the short run, marks count. I said I don't want to live in short run. So okay, I'll sacrifice my marks, I'll take fight with the teachers, but I'll do what I want to do. So don't, my only advice to you is, go ahead and do what you want. Don't worry about policies, because it takes long time for institutions to change their mind. And I don't think we can wait for that. University Grants Commission and AICTE have still not done what we are trying to do. This is their job. They should be doing it. They're not doing it. Can we wait for them to change? No.
You see, I don't know whether you looked at the presentation. When I saw that the government was not coming forward, we decided not to look for government support.
That's right.
Otherwise, we would have reached here. And to all the students who are here, whether they are from TTU or not, let me tell you, if you need any help, TTU is there to help you with all the ideas. But the work you have to do. You see, even for all these 17,000 projects, I didn't do anything. It is my students who did the project.
At this
We only
point,
provided the enabling environment.
I want to add one point to his talk that there are a lot of students interested in innovative projects. Like in IIT Bombay, we formed last year a society called Technovation. I'm the coordinator of that also. So now we have 56 projects, and you will not imagine the creativity of those projects, that they are so innovative, and the students are, I am here for a month and we have 1 month holidays. The students have taken permissions to stay in the hostel, and they are working on their projects. Like we have several projects, robotic arms, we are having projects on robotic chess, we have a project on orniopter, that will be a helicopter just enough to just pull you up for maybe 15 minutes or 20 minutes, so that you can have a ride in the campus. So that's a project, and they are in between, and they will be finished within 6 months. And they are planning by themselves, they are organizing everything. What we are giving is, we are providing the support from institute, we are providing funds up to maybe 50,000, 40,000. The thing is that there are so many innovative students, but the thing is, there is a requirement of a few persons who can start up these things.
Yeah, I just want to add a point, sir. If you the idea is how to make this Techpedia more approachable or something like that. Before coming here, I was not also aware of the Techpedia. Now, my fellow friend, he has mentioned about the Facebook of popularizing the Techpedia. Let me tell you one thing, like for example, we belong to industries. Facebook has got some positive aspects, some negative aspects. In our industry, Facebook is restricted. You cannot access to Facebook. When we visited several big IT companies in Bangalore and Bombay, we also found the same thing. The Facebook is not allowed there. Now, as a result of which, although I am inclined to Facebook, but let's say after coming 8 o'clock in the night, in the evening, I may not be interested to use the Facebook. But then, Google is a platform which is accessible by everybody, whether it is industry, whether it is school, whether it is college, everything. And it has got a very simplified page. Okay. If you give any project to any student, what he will do, he will go to Google. If I have any problem in the industry, I will go to Google. So if you have some sort of collaboration or something like that with the Google, then your acceptance will be much more wider. Now I know that Techpedia is there. What I will do, I will go to the Google. The moment I type the 3 or 4 characters, that it will automatically come. But then, if you can create some sort of banners or something like that, the moment somebody is searching something, and if you show this Techpedia for innovation or for searching or something, you will have a much greater acceptance than